This video is to assist folks in learning how to add SCROM objects from Captivate into Desire to Learn and having the grades carry through from the SCROM object to the gradebook. So we're starting in the D2L course homepage. I'm going to go up first on how to import a SCROM object. So we're going to go select Manage Course, then down to Edit Course. Then we're looking for the import, export, copy components. And then out of the three options, we're going to import components. We'll click choose file. Now it's important that your file is already zipped. As you export it, it needs to be zipped so that it grabs all the necessary files that D2L needs to learn how to embed this into your course. I've already got that set up here. I'm going through Orientation Chapter 7. Notice it's a zip file. I'll click Open. Just verify that that is the file that shows up. Click Start. Alright. It's going through making sure that the package and the file are correct. If you get an error at this point, this means that you might need to repackage your file into a zip from Captivate. So let's go ahead and click Continue. I typically tend to put the contents of the zip. This is where it's going to unbundle things. I add it into an entirely new folder so that the different objects that we put, SCROM objects from Captivate we put, don't get confused. And let's see, make sure you click Import Metadata. This is really important. This is where it's going to get that SCROM information. And then we want to import all parts of it. So make sure you select all components, then click Continue. Continue again. This is where it's thinking. Alright. At this point, we're all set. It's all loaded in. Now we've actually got to go to the content page to actually link it ourselves. So you see this is where it came in at. I'm going to go ahead and select that. I want to edit the name of the title so that's something I understand a little bit easier. So like Lesson 7. Okay. Now I'm going to move this up to a different part. Just bear with me. This isn't necessary. It's just something I'm doing. Now I'm down here at Lesson 7. I need to put this in order. Like I said, it's just for my information. Now select on the lesson.
You know, I think there's some faxes sitting over there.
You see that it's opening up the Captivate? Wow, it looks great. Now to make sure that it outputs the grades from SCROM, we're going to go ahead and we see the Add Grade. Just go ahead and click that. And see how it says No Grade? And in this case, if you have one already made up, a grade entry, you just select the grade entry you want it to feed to. If you don't have that, you click the plus sign, and you actually can make a grade entry in your gradebook straight from the content page. Go ahead and click Lesson 7. It says push all existing scores to grades. Click Save. That's it. We're done. I'm going to go ahead and do something else, but at this point, well, I'll show you how it looks in grades real quick. And so then as we look through on our grades, I follow Lesson 7 across. It's a numeric type scoring, and its association is from the scoring report that came out of that D2L embed. If you have any questions, let me know. I think this should help you out, Rob.